Hello students, how are you? Again welcome to our channel पढ़ाई का कवच. So hope that all of you are fine within your home during this lockdown situation. So again I am welcoming you in our standard 10 lecture series. This is unit number 1, chemical reaction and equations, and this is our 5th lecture. So let us start from our previous topic. So first of all, I will tell you about the quick recap of what we have already done in our subsequent lectures, right? So here you are seeing on the screen, we are going sequentially. हम यहाँ पे sequentially जा रहे हैं lecture series के अंदर, जिसमें हमने पहले lecture में discuss किया हुआ था introduction of chemical reaction, and in our second lecture we have already discussed about how to write chemical equation, and in our third lecture the balancing of chemical equation is we already learned, right? Fourth is types of chemical reaction. The lecture is separated into the two portion, types of chemical reaction. First is composition and decomposition reaction, and the second lecture is of displacement and double displacement reaction, right? So today, as you all aware, we are moving sequentially in this lecture series. So our today's topic is oxidation and reduction reaction, right? And as well as the redox chemical reaction, which I forget to write here in this slide. Okay, so you can note it: oxidation and reduction reaction as well as redox reaction. So shall we start? Wait a minute. Okay, so this is also a type of chemical reaction. Wait a second. Okay, chaliye. So again, welcome. I have some sort of work. Okay, chaliye. So here is our today's content: oxidation and reduction reaction and redox reaction. So I am requesting all of you, please note down this content if you are preparing a note. मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ कि आप ये लिख लीजिएगा. ओके, चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. सेट कर दूँ मैं थोड़ा स्क्रीन को. ओके, नाउ इट इज़ विजिबल. सो जैसा कि आप अपनी स्क्रीन के ऊपर देख पा रहे हो अभी, ऑक्सीडेशन एंड रिडक्शन रिएक्शन के बारे में मैंने दो डिवीज़न किए हैं, एंड certain example is also given. So first of all we will start from the oxidation reaction. Here you can see this is a oxidation reaction, जैसा कि आप स्क्रीन के ऊपर देख पा रहे हो. So in the oxidation reaction, I already take one example. 2Cu plus O2 gives you 2CuO. As you are seeing in this slide, ये slide के अंदर मैंने ये example लिया हुआ है. 2Cu मतलब copper plus oxygen, and when you are heating the copper in the presence of oxygen, it will give you the copper oxide. This example is given in the NCERT textbook as a part of activity, right? So copper plus oxygen will give you the copper oxide. The color of the copper oxide is black, while the color of copper is reddish brown. तो ये एक important question हो जा सकता है एक मार्क के लिए कि what is the color of product when you carried out chemical reaction or when you are heating the copper in the presence of air. Okay, so the black color copper oxide we will get from this reaction. Okay, चलिए. So बात कर रहे थे हम ऑक्सीडेशन के बारे में. ऑक्सीडेशन मीन्स व्हाट? हियर यू आर सीइंग दैट कॉपर इज एडेड विथ ऑक्सीजन, मतलब द कॉपर इज गेनिंग द ऑक्सीजन. ऑन द रिएक्टेंट साइड यू आर सीइंग दैट कॉपर प्लस ऑक्सीजन, बिकॉज heating is a conversion process, and in a conversion process the oxygen is utilized. So as all of you are aware about the conversion in 8th standard, so oxygen is utilized as a part of conversion. So after the reaction you will see that here the copper will gain the oxygen. So the gaining of oxygen means the copper is oxidized. So here I am writing the definition of the oxidation, which is very helpful to you for your examination. When an oxygen added to the particular substance, so here that substance is copper, and our another element which is used for the oxidation is oxygen, right? So when an oxygen added to the particular substance, then reaction occur is known as oxidation reaction. जैसा कि आप यहाँ पर डेफिनेशन पे पढ़ पा रहे हो, जैसा मैंने पिछला पढ़ा कि कोई भी सब्सटेंस के साथ जब भी ऑक्सीजन ऐड होता है और ऑक्सीजन गेन होता है तो उस रिएक्शन को ऑक्सीडेशन रिएक्शन कहते हैं. एज हैपनिंग हियर, कॉपर प्लस ऑक्सीजन गिव्स यू कॉपर ऑक्साइड. सो हियर the copper is gaining the oxygen, and that is why this reaction is called as oxidation reaction. Okay, oxygen is added to the copper, and हम ऐसा भी कह सकते हैं कि copper is getting oxidized, यानी कि copper जो है वो oxidize हो रहा है, and the color of copper oxide is black. So this is all about oxidation reaction. Now we will move towards reduction रिएक्शन. जैसा कि आप अपनी स्क्रीन के ऊपर देख सकते हो यहाँ पे, दिस इज अ पार्ट ऑफ रिडक्शन रिएक्शन. सो रिडक्शन मीन्स व्हाट? सो आई एम टेकिंग वन एग्जांपल हियर, कॉपर ऑक्साइड प्लस हाइड्रोजन. हियर यू आर सीइंग द एग्जांपल, कॉपर ऑक्साइड प्लस हाइड्रोजन. सो व्हेनेवर यू आर हीटिंग द कॉपर ऑक्साइड इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ हाइड्रोजन, तो होता क्या है, सी ऑन द प्रोडक्ट साइड. प्रोडक्ट साइड पे कॉपर इज लूजिंग इट्स ऑक्सीजन. कॉपर क्या करता है, उसके पास जो ऑक्सीजन है यानी कि कॉपर ऑक्साइड जो है वो अपने पास रहा एक ऑक्सीजन लूज करता है. यू आर सीइंग हियर, कॉपर ऑक्साइड जो है वो अपने पास रहा ऑक्सीजन प्रोडक्ट साइड पे लूज करता है. सो इट इज लूजिंग ऑफ ऑक्सीजन, एंड जो रिएक्टेंट साइड पे हाइड्रोजन था, इट इज गेनिंग द ऑक्सीजन. सो दिस इज द अनदर टाइप. बट whenever any substance, here the substance is copper oxide, whenever any substance loses the oxygen, that reaction is called as reduction reaction. See here, on the reactant side oxygen is there and the substance is copper oxide, but on the product side, after the heating, the copper loses its oxygen and it converted into the simple copper in a elemental form. Okay, so I will read the definition. When an oxygen being removed from a particular substance, जब भी कोई भी एलिमेंट में से, सब्सटेंस में से ऑक्सीजन को रिमूव कर दिया जाए, then the reaction occur is known as reduction reaction. So here oxygen is removed from the copper oxide. You are seeing here the oxygen is removed from the copper and the copper oxide is reduced. So ऐसा पिछली बोर्ड की एग्जामिनेशन में एक बार पूछा गया था, ZnO plus C gives you Zn plus CO2. So what is happening to the Zn? So Zn is reducing. Zinc oxide, ZnO is reducing. Similarly here, यहाँ पे CuO है, कॉपर ऑक्साइड है, तो कॉपर ऑक्साइड क्या हो रहा है, रिड्यूस हो रहा है, बिकॉज इट इज लूजिंग द ऑक्सीजन. सो इट इज ऑल अबाउट gaining and losing the oxygen. Whenever the substance gain the oxygen, this reaction is called as oxidation reaction, and whenever the substance losing its oxygen, that reaction is called as reduction reaction. I hope that all the concept is clear. If you have any doubt, please write into the comment section. Okay, so this is all about oxidation and reduction type of reaction. Let us move forward on our topic. Yes, the third type, redox chemical reaction or redox reaction. So whenever the situation is there, कभी भी ऐसी situation हो कि एक केमिकल इक्वेशन के अंदर ऑक्सीजन रिड्यूस हो रहा हो, as you are seeing the arrow, green color arrow on your screen, copper oxide is losing the oxygen and it converted into the copper on the product side. On the same side, in the same way, hydrogen is gaining the oxygen and it converted into the water. जैसा कि आप देख सकते हो, दो एरोज मैंने यहाँ पे किए हुए हैं. The first arrow that I am indicating, copper oxide is converted into the simple copper substance, and hydrogen is gaining the oxygen. So what you are seeing the two types of reaction takes place at a same time. First, copper is reduced, as you are seeing copper oxide is converted into the copper, so it is losing the oxygen, and same way the hydrogen is gaining the oxygen and it is converted into the H2O, means water. So whenever in any reaction oxidation as well as reduction takes place simultaneously at the same time, that reaction is known as redox reaction. I hope that all thing is clear. आपको समझ में आ गया होगा कि अगर कोई एक सिंपल सी सिचुएशन में एक ही बार ऑक्सीजन गेन हो रहा हो, if only the gain of oxygen is there, then the reaction is called as oxidation reaction, and if the oxygen is losing by the substance, then the reaction is called as reduction reaction. But if both the reaction takes place at the same time simultaneously, then that kind of reaction is called as redox reaction. ऑक्सीडेशन का OX, रिडक्शन का RED. सो उन दोनों को मिला के यहाँ पे रिडॉक्स रिएक्शन नाम रखा गया है. इसके और भी एग्जाम्पल है, चलिए आई विल डिस्कस इट. दिस इज द अनदर एग्जाम्पल ऑफ रिडॉक्स रिएक्शन. ये एग्जाम्पल है आपके रिडॉक्स रिएक्शन के, खास ध्यान में रखिएगा. हाउ इट इज रिडॉक्स रिएक्शन? बिकॉज यू आर सीइंग ऑन द स्क्रीन, आई एम टेकिंग द फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल ZnO+C, zinc oxide plus carbon. Zinc oxide plus carbon will give you zinc plus carbon monoxide. यानी कि यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, zinc oxide will losing its oxygen and carbon is gaining the oxygen. So मैंने क्या कहा था, whenever the substance gain or lose the oxygen at the same time or simultaneously, that kind of reaction is called as redox reaction. So in this way, this reaction ZnO+C is a redox chemical reaction. Second example, manganese oxide plus 4HCl hydrochloric acid gives you manganese chloride प्लस H2O प्लस Cl2. तो सर इसमें क्या हो रहा है? तो एज यू आर सीइंग यहाँ पे मैंगनीज ऑक्साइड जो है वो यहाँ पे मैंगनीज क्लोराइड हो गया है, मतलब इट इज लूजिंग दी ऑक्सीजन, एंड हियर जो यहाँ पे हाइड्रोजन क्लोरीन के साथ था इट इज गेनिंग दी ऑक्सीजन. सो एक बाजू ऑक्सीजन रिड्यूस हो रहा है और दूसरी बाजू ऑक्सीजन गेन हो रहा है साइमल्टेनियसली एट द सेम टाइम. So this reaction is also called as redox chemical reaction. तो यहाँ पे types of chemical reaction खत्म होते हैं, composition, decomposition, displacement, double displacement, oxidation, reduction, and the last one is redox. So I hope that all the concepts are very crystal clear in your mind. If you have any kind of doubt or any kind of example that you are calculating or solving and you are having a doubt, then please write in the comment section. I will give the answer as soon as possible. So thank you for viewing this video or viewing this channel. I am very lucky to have you as my students. Okay, again I am requesting all of you, please subscribe our YouTube channel and tell all your other friends to subscribe this channel. And if you want to meet me personally, you can access the Instagram. Tosif Accurate is my official ID. Okay, so this lecture by Tosif sir. Okay, चलिए तो यहाँ तक रखते हैं. प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल. और हमारी ये सीरीज़ का लास्ट लेक्चर बहुत ही सून में अपलोड करूँगा और हमारा ये यूनिट 1 कंप्लीट होगा. सो कोई भी डाउट हो आपको वो आप मुझे पूछ सकते हैं. एंड फॉर दी हार्ड सॉफ्ट कॉपी मटेरियल प्लीज़ फॉलो माई इंस्टाग्राम ID. Thank you all of you. Thank you for viewing me. Bye bye.